discuss the release of our provisional results. James Wanyonyi, the Deputy Principal Administration, Mobamba High School. We had 499 students who sat for the exam 2024. Out of 499, 187 were girls, 312 boys. So far, we have provisional results of 350 students ready. Due to the problem with network, we have not done all of them. We expect that once the network is well balanced, we shall be able to clear the rest and give you more information. So out of the 350 students, we have already received their results. 300 have C plus and above. Our least grade is C minus in these 350 students. Our best grade is A minus, one girl, A minus, one boy. 300 have C plus and above. Our least grade is C minus in these 350 students. Our best grade is A minus, one girl, A minus, one boy. So once the network is clear, we shall be able to release the school mean grade